Hey folks, so wanted to tell you how to give a peer review. So here is WPA3. Remember to check out the assignment directions by going to the written field report. So you are writing a draft of that written field report. I do have this alternate option, but go check out the paragraph order, instructions, and your field report. If you're doing the alternate modality I mentioned in this little video, go here anyway. Go to field report 1 because I've got more information there for you. The draft here is going to be something that you write to help organize your thoughts. Think about you are just kind of organizing your information, putting it in the right places, writing a loose version of what you're going to submit later. Your classmates, the idea is that you are then going to be able to submit your draft and get feedback from your classmates. You as the reviewer get to see what other people have done well or what might be confusing in somebody else's draft. You as the receiver of feedback gets to get a sense of what sort of things I'm going to be looking for when I grade. So what I think is going to happen is once I assign you peer reviews, which I will do as soon as you submit assignments to this, I think you're going to have a view kind of like this. So I can now see, if it switched over for me, I can now see on blank here because test student hasn't submitted anything yet. Now that none of you have yet. But once it gets submitted, you'll see something here. You'll see their paper, or if they put in a video, you'll see the video there. You can then click on View Rubric, and you can even move this a little bit bigger because I got a lot of writing there. Then this rubric has the different criteria. So there's 6 criteria you're giving them points on. I want to point out you are not actually scoring them, so I will give them a score. And for WPA3, your score is, did you submit a draft? Is it basically what I asked for? And did you give feedback to classmates? That's your score. So whatever score you get here, like if you feel like the person needs a 1 or a 0, give them a 1 or a 0. It's not going to hurt their grade. In fact, what it's going to do is help their grade when they've revised this for the field report, because once they get a 1 or a 0 here, they'll know, oh shoot, okay, I got to fix something here. So the options for do they have their image caption and works cited page? The options are given here with a little description. So this is great, everything's there, it's amazing, wow, excellent, give them full points. It's pretty good, but maybe there's a little bit of something missing, give them pretty good. It needs some work, nearly there, or there's a major problem. It's not here or part of it's missing. So that's how you're going to give a grade, and you can click that and see it gives them that little score. The other thing you can do is if you have more to say, like here it says image caption or works cited page is missing. Well, which one is missing? If you click this guy, you can tell them, you don't have a caption. I think you have the citation twice. But they need to fix that. So you've given them some helpful information here that will help them score points later. You can, so more explanation, so there's a description of the style paragraph, physical properties paragraph, or if they're doing a video, it's that section. Visual structure section, the subject paragraph or section, cultural context paragraph or section. And again, each of these you can give comments. Then if you hit save, even if you're only partway through, you can hit save. You can always come back and work on it later. But you can hit save. If you want to work on it later, click View Rubric and it'll have saved your information and you can come back. You can see I have an invalid score because I didn't finish this. And then you can save again if you want to. If you need to say something that didn't quite fit in one of these, you can also, I believe, give them a submission comment. Hi, test student. It was really helpful when you, oops. My computer does this to me. When you showed that close-up picture in your video. I don't know. What are the videos going to look like? This is new. And then you can hit submit there as well. So they'll get that comment. The goal, like I said, is that you are helping your classmates improve for their field report. Remember, WPA1, WPA2, and WPA3, all 3 writing planning assignments, are designed to help you write your field report. I don't want to just say, go write a report, right? I want to give you the pieces that you need. And of course, the other place that you can go for some help, I've got under B, I've got listed a bunch of other resources. So you can check for plagiarism. You can get some help at the Writing Center. You can get some help directly from me. I would love it if you, unless you have questions, I'd love to read your revised drafts after you have feedback from your classmates and you've integrated that. Have somebody else read this, even if it's your kid's sister. If she reads it and she says, I don't understand this part, you may have a section that's not making sense. Not that it has to necessarily make sense depending how old your kid's sister is, but we're aiming at kind of a general audience. This should be informative. Let me tell you about this artwork. And so ideally, your explanation of visual structures helps somebody who doesn't know anything about art to understand where we see the implied line or the interesting texture, or how we know it's an implied texture versus an actual texture. All right? As always, I am happy to chat with you as you get started or as you get finished on this project. Remember, your grade for this project is going to be, did you do it? The rubric that you have in there that you're filling out as a student isn't their grade. So if you give them a low score, you are helping them improve their field report. You're not impacting their score for this assignment in any way, because they will get the points if they do all the work. All right? Thanks.